Text, the best loaded cheesy nachos recipe. Text. Alright, let's kick things off by getting that skillet nice and hot. Drop in your finely chopped onions and let them do their thing until they become all soft and translucent. You'll know they're ready when they start to look almost see-through. That's exactly what we're going for. By the way, since many of you ask about this non-stick frying pan that I use, after trying several, I found one that really makes a difference. I'll leave a link in the video description in case you're interested. Time to add some serious flavor. Toss in that minced garlic. Oh, that smell is amazing. And your ground beef. Break it up with your spatula as it cooks. We want nice, even browning all over. No big chunks here, friends. Keep stirring until you don't see any pink spots. Now, this is where the magic happens. Sprinkle in your taco seasoning and those extra spices. If you notice it's looking a bit DIY, don't worry, just add a splash of waiter. We want all those flavors to really blend together and coat every bit of that meat. Let's make this even more indulgent by melting that butter right into our beef mixture. It might seem a bit extra, but trust me, it adds this amazing richness that takes these nachos to the next level. Just stir it through until it's completely incorporated. Moving on to our cheese sauce. And this is going to be good. In your saucepan, combine that evaporated milk with a bit of pickle water and regular water. This combination might sound weird, but it's going to give us the smoothest, most amazing cheese sauce ever. Watch this transformation. Add both kinds of cheese to your warm milk mixture and keep stirring. Don't rush this part. Let it melt slowly and steadily. You'll see it become this gorgeous, velvety sauce that's just perfect for coating our chips. Time for some fresh flavors. Grab those avocados and mash them up in a bowl. Mix in your lime juice, chopped cilantro, and whatever spices you're feeling. This fresh guac is going to add such a nice creamy contrast to our loaded nachos. Here's where we start building our masterpiece. Spread those tortilla chips out on your baking sheet. Try to get them in a nice, even layer. We want every chip to have a chance at getting topped with all our delicious ingredients. Now comes the fun part. Let's layer on that seasoned beef we made earlier and drizzle that amazing cheese sauce all over. Make sure you're getting into all those nooks and crannies. Every bite should be loaded with flavor. Time to add some fresh crunch and color. Scatter those chopped tomatoes, bell peppers, and jalapeños all over. If you're not big on heat, you can go easy on the jalapeños, but I love that extra kick they bring to the party. Pop this beautiful creation into your preheated oven at 350 to 4F. We're looking at about 10,015 minutes here. Just enough time to get everything hot and bubbly, with the cheese getting all melty and amazing. Last but definitely not least, let's make these nachos Instagram-worthy. Sprinkle that fresh cilantro all over. Add dollops of sour cream if you're using it, and serve with your favorite salsa on the side. These nachos are seriously loaded and ready to be devoured. It's time to enjoy. Subscribe to catch more delicious recipes.